Hi, I'm Andy with Pro-Vac Chimney Sweeps, and we're here to take a look at a gas heater and a gas boiler. Now, it's a good idea from time to time to have these inspected and to see if they need to be cleaned. This one actually does. I can see that we have some soot and some precipitate that's coming out of this system here, and it's a white precipitate, and this furnace flue would be similar, and when we clean it we'll get a white kind of a sulfur precipitate that comes out of it, and that's what the white product is. It's sulfur, and it's important to have that done from time to time so that you don't have any gases coming into your house. Also, a flue for a gas hot water heater that has too much soot in it can cause the hot water heater flame to start the pilot light to go out, and then people will start smelling gas in the house as an indicator that it may be time to have it cleaned. Let's take a look at this gas flue. We can see the interface between the roof jack and the flue is kind of cracked. Possibility for some water getting in here. How do we solve that? Simply, this needs a storm collar. Never got a storm collar, so that's something we can do as well. We can seal this off so that this gas flue is no longer leaking, and we clean gas flues and chimneys as well.